Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. We got the C63 and the E350 back in the vlog. So we got the air box filter out. That thing literally, you could probably take it and kick it out of the out of its position. So yeah, today we're gonna change these coils. Correct. Yes. Spark plugs. You have spark plugs too?
Okay.
Oh, okay, perfect. So we're gonna change some plugs and some coils on the M276 motor. Over there on the back side of there, that is gonna be a pain in the ass. I really don't want to do that side, but we kind of don't really have a choice. We have to do it. So that is my worst nightmare. That area right there, that is my mortal enemy. That plug or whatever the hell you want to call it, that pipe with that screw. F that spot. So yeah, let's get to it. We're gonna go grab some lunch first. It is freaking cold outside. It's snowing, but yeah, we gotta let it cool down a little bit because, oh yeah, that's still warm. I do not want to be touching my finger on. I do not want to be touching my finger on that. That burns. Yes. So we're gonna let the car cool down. Go have some lunch. We'll come back. It'll be a little bit colder, and then we can peacefully get this repair done. Be right back, guys. And guys, because we are unofficially sponsored by Rockstar, our Wendy's drink is gonna get Rockstar. There we go. Best thing ever. Let's go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are done some Wendy's, and now it is time to resume repairs of the V6 E-Class. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. Look at how hard those coils are gonna get. How hard these coils are going to be to get to. That's a tongue twister. Say that fucking 3 times fast. Yeah, so let's get to those. Those ones are obviously easy to get to, but these ones are a pain in the ass. But yeah, basically, process is remove everything. Remove engine, remove everything, and then you get to the coils, and then yeah, you can get to the plugs. Okay, time to have some fun. Ladies and gentlemen, we have removed one of the ignition coils. Well, not on that side, but on this side. And wait, before we even get to that side, let's just say the ignition coils are supposed to be long. Tell me if this looks correct to you. So this is where it plugs in for the positive and negative. That's where you got your 2 bolts. And then it's supposed to be long. It's broken in half. This is bad. This is very bad. And guess where the other side of the coil is? Hold up. Hold up. There you go. Beautiful. Wedged right into the engine block. Right there. Right there.
Yes.
GG, boys. We're gonna be here all night extracting that engine ignition coil. No, we won't. How are you gonna get it out? How are you gonna get this out?
Pliers.
Какой pliers? Show me pliers that can get in there. Okay, guys. Have a good night. If you're a religious person, then you should pray. If you're not a religious person, jump off a bridge. Just kidding, don't jump off a bridge because we're about to. Okay, let's get that SOB out. Okay guys, we were successful in removing the broken ignition coil boot. That's insane. Look at this. This is how it's supposed to be, like that. We got that piece out and this was broken and stuck inside of the freaking engine. Unbelievable, that's crazy. Don't even want to look at that ever again. Okay, 5 more to go. Never mind, a little bit less to go. That was very stressful. Yes, sigh, I agree. Okay, let's get these out. Okay guys, so we got all the ignition coils out. 1, 2, 3. Hold on, let's just get some light. So coil number 1, number 2, and number 3. So these are actually a big pain in the ass to get out, but there's a trick to doing it. So basically, the coil sits in like this, and you got the plug that kind of sits like that, you see? So there's a trick to getting it out. Basically, you take the screwdriver And instead of trying to pry it from the top like this or whatever, or going like that, what you do is you take it from here, put the screwdriver like this, and the plug basically goes like that all the way up until here. And what you do is you stick the screwdriver like this and you just twist like that. You pry it that way, and then the plug will go out that way as long as you're putting pressure on it from there, and it comes out. Boom, easy peasy. Okay, all coils out. 2 are broken. Whatever. 1, 2, who cares at this point? See? Beautiful. There it is. Who cares? 1, 2, 3, doesn't matter at this point. These are all for sale, right? As a joke. Nah, just kidding. They're not for sale. These are garbage. Okay, time to get the plugs out. Sir, how do we get the plugs out? By praying, right? Okay, let's get these plugs out. Basically, you need a swivel, some small hands, a little bit of light, and then some prayers right inside that black hole. Let's get them out. Oh my god, here we go. Guys, we are in a lawn chair, sitting and relaxing. We got the spark plugs out. We got 2 broken...
No, look at the igniters.
We got 2 broken ignition coils. This one is capito, finito, every language, Finnish, whatever you want to call it. This igniter is Dunzo. This one's still kind of good, but also finished. Yo. Anyways, where's the plugs? Where's the plugs? Okay, so spark plugs. Got them out. They're all absolute dog shit, as you can see. That's very bad. Look at that sludge on it. That's finito. Anyways, getting them out from over there was not so fun. Getting them out from inside over there, I wanted to actually off myself, because that is unbelievably painful to get to, especially this bracket right over here. Oh my god, move. And see, things are in the way. This bracket right here blocking access to get into there. Bro, I don't know if I want to even continue. we should just go home. Okay, let's get the new plugs into this godforsaken engine. Okay, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, with the assistance of a crazy swivel. So we got the spark plug tool, special tool with the magnet. We got a short extension. We got the swivel. Then we got the short extension with a long extension with the addadad thing. This is how you get to it. This is the amount of headache. Look at that. Like, this is what you need to use to get in there. Look at that. That's how you get to the coils. Look at this thing. Look at this freaking thing. Holy. Yo, this thing is funny. Alvin, you wanna? Yo. So that's how you do it, guys. You have to use a lot of sockets and swivels and extensions and this and that. A lot of leverage, a lot of light. This side's a lot easier. That side sucks. But this is why you have power tools, and this is why you have all the extensions and bits possible. We got the plugs in. Let's put the coils on. Here we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is 8 p.m. and we have put the coils back in. Boom. 1, 2, 3. All plugged in. All the bolts are back in. We're just connecting the engine computer back in. Then we're just gonna put the airbox back in. Connect all that. I'll connect all the little stuff. Got the boxes of coils, and then we're gonna start the car. It's gonna smoke like crazy because obviously we put some brake clean and everything in there to clean up all the dirt, but hopefully it will be good. All right, let's reconnect everything else and start it up. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna start this car. Ready? Go do it. It sounds perfectly fine. Any smoke? No. No smoke? Phew. Oh yeah, that. Let me smell it. Ooh, smells a little funny. That's okay. It's running. Is it running properly? Running properly?
That's where the dialogue.
Give it some gas. Yeah, it's okay. Huh? Yeah. Well, guys, I think we have success. As long as it doesn't blow up, I don't think anything is gonna burn inside there. As long as that doesn't heat up, I think we'll be fine. All right, y'all. With that being said, I'll see y'all tomorrow with a new video. I think we are gonna go and do some snow activities, because while we were doing this, we had a little bit of snow. The C63 is covered in snow. Bro, stop hitting your car. Alright guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.